Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is my next project I worked on. Just wanted everybody to see it. Took me a little while. It's a fountain on the patio. That was another project I worked on. Actually has fish in there. I don't know if they will actually come out. There's some fish in there. Some floating flowers. Look at this plant here, up here. This plant here. Look at the leaf, watch. It closes. See? Watch. Pretty cool. But anyways, this was my water garden flower fountain on the patio. It's pretty easy to make, just a pump, a couple pots, some flowers in a bowl, a little bit of creativity. But yeah, the flower itself, if you touch it, will actually close. They actually close. So, pretty cool. Alright guys, figured I'd let you know what this was like. Took a little while to build it. I wish I had a build project, but it really wasn't a build project. Something I threw together, spare of the moment. Little flowers. Thank you guys for paying attention. If you like, follow and share if you want. Thank you.